With Valentine's Day just around the corner, it is officially the perfect time to supercharge your content creation workflow. Instead of spending endless hours manually editing, you can let smart automation handle the heavy lifting for you. Imagine turning one single long video into dozens of polished, ready-to-post clips that actually drive engagement. That dream is a reality, and over the next few minutes, I will show you how to automate everything using Vizard. Let's start with the big picture. Why does this automated workflow matter so much for your growth? Creating clips for A/B tests and different platforms is incredibly time-consuming if you do it all by hand. You could spend your entire week chopping, captioning, reformatting, and manually scheduling your content. Or you can set up a system where AI finds the best moments, crops them, adds captions, and queues them up automatically. That is exactly what Vizard does, serving as an all-in-one hub for your long-form repurposing needs. It lets you escape those endless After Effects rabbit holes and keeps all your tools in one place. Here is the simple, repeatable blueprint we use for any holiday or major campaign. Step 1 is all about sourcing your high-quality raw footage to feed the machine. You start with a podcast episode, a product demo, or a live stream that is packed with value. The key is ensuring you have clear audio and emotional spikes, because a cleaner source makes for much better clips. Step 2 involves uploading that file and letting Vizard perform its deep analysis. The AI automatically scans your video for high engagement moments and speaker changes. You can even prioritize specific things like jokes or product demos to guide the AI towards your goals. Instead of manually scrubbing for hours, the tool surfaces those viral hooks for you. Step 3 is where the auto-editing magic happens, turning long videos into platform-ready assets. It intelligently chooses the best aspect ratio for each social platform and generates captions for you. You can generate multiple variations for every single moment you choose to highlight. Step 4 is about creative variations, which are essential for scaling your testing efforts. You can batch add captions, swap out background music, or change your thumbnail frames to see what works. This mimics an A/B testing approach without all the manual tedium. Step 5 covers the most overlooked part of the process, which is auto-scheduling your posts. Vizard lets you set your posting frequency once, and then it queues your content with optimal timing. You get a bird's-eye view of your content calendar to see exactly what is going live and where. Step 6 is to analyze your results and then iterate on what is actually working. You can see which hook lengths resonate and then create even more variations of your top-performing clips. It really is a rinse and repeat pipeline designed to stop editing bottlenecks for good. Let's do a quick demo-style walkthrough so you can feel what the platform experience is actually like. Imagine uploading a 45-minute podcast episode and letting the AI find 40 potential moments in minutes. You simply select your favorite clips, tweak the captions for tone, and drop them right into the scheduler. The AI handles the heavy lifting, posting them across your accounts at the perfect times for traction. The results you can expect are massive, saving you days of manual editing work every single week. For Valentine's, you can create multiple hooks and test different calls to action without rebuilding from scratch. Now, let's talk a real shop about why this approach beats other DIY toolchains. After Effects is incredibly flexible, but it is heavy and demands a steep learning curve. Other automation tools are great for product ads, but they often struggle with long-form discovery. Make and Zapier are powerful, but they are fragile if APIs change or workflows get too complicated. Vizard sits in that perfect sweet spot for creators who need speed and simplicity. It is built specifically to find shareable moments and keep your content pipeline moving fast. Here are a few quick tips to make sure your seasonal campaign absolutely crushes it. First, map out your angles, such as romantic, funny, or budget-friendly, to help the AI prioritize better. Second, provide metadata like speaker names or key timestamps to guide the algorithm. Third, mix organic story-driven moments with clear, ad-focused calls to action. Finally, don't be afraid to reuse top-performing clips with small tweaks for new audiences. The real win here is scalability, because you never have to reinvent the wheel for future holidays. The time you save today compounds into massive growth for your channels over time. This isn't just for big media teams, because solo creators benefit most from this ROI on your time. Instead of burning out, you get to focus on making more great long-form content. If you want to try this today, simply upload one long video and see what the auto editor creates. Pick your best 10 clips, add your own spin, and schedule them out for the next 2 weeks. Check your calendar daily to see which hooks win, and then iterate your way to success. Don't overwork yourself trying to manually cut 50 clips for Valentine's Day this year. Use a workflow that finds the gems in your long-form content and gets them published for you. Try it on a single episode and see exactly how many clips you can get done in under an hour. Happy Valentine's Day to you, and I hope your content gets all the hearts and your inbox gets all the collabs. If you want, drop the link to your video in the comments and I will tell you the first 5 moments I would clip.